Manipur, your future stands on edge. In the shadows of conflict, on a fragile edge. The children look to skies so gray. They deserve a brighter, peaceful day. Peace is the way, peace is the call. For one and all, it must stand tall. The path, the goal, it's clear to see. Only peace will set us free. The streets we walk are filled with fear, but hope for change is always near. Manipur's heart beats for unity. Let's heal these wounds with harmony. Peace is the way, peace is the call. For one and all, it must stand tall. The path, the goal, it's clear to see. Only peace will set us free. For the children who dream, for the lives at stake, let's build a home no violence can break. Home is where peace will guide the way and bring back hope for a brighter day. Peace is the way, peace is the call. For one and all, it must stand tall. The path, the goal, it's clear to see. Only peace will set us free. For the children who dream, for the lives at stake, let's build a home no violence can break.